Go!
Okay, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa magiging site ng Black Ivies. Ano bang tatawag natin dito, guys? Ano bang maganda?
Ivy's Nest.
Ivies Nest. So you can
Ivies
see
Nest.
from there, yung field na yan. Mark, anong ano?
Skirmish area and CQB.
That's a big ass CQB.
Yep. Now, over there, snake infested area.
Don't worry, lilinisan pa namin yan. Kuya!
So ano masasabi mo? Gaano karami bang mga ahas dito?
Hindi naman gaano karamihan yan. Konti lang yan. Mga isa dalawa lang yan.
Okay.
Mga
Maliit lang. Maliit.
mga ganyang kalaki lang yung mga ahas, no?
Yeah,
Ah, yes.
Ganyan.
Small.
Kaya patayin yan. Pag
Oo.
malaki, hindi na kaya patayin.
O pare, another target. Okay lang mamapatay natin yan. Okay lang. Oh guys, okay lang daw. Ang mga pagpadala ng bangkay ng ahas sa staging area may price.
Alright.
No?
So, pero initially, IVs, tayo magka-clear nito. So,
Instant
bring
clear.
your 450 FPS guns for the snakes.
Most preferably 500 FPS.
Call Ian, pare. Okay.
And also your anti-snake weapons.
Yeah.
Just like
Ilang
this.
FPS yan, pre?
Ito 1,000 to pre, 1,000
TM ba yan? TM?
PM.
TM. We have a small ruin here, as you can see.
Another snake infested area.
Yeah. This is Kapuso mo, Brian Rhea. Okay. We have a small pond.
Kasi may business sa ito itong bansa.
It's kind of big.
It is very
Actually, it is big. It's a 3-hectare skirmish zone for airsoft players. And we are about to, negotiate with the owner. What? Tango.
Tango.
We're going to negotiate with the owner para maging home base ng Black Ivy. As you can see, this is still isn't half of what the whole thing is. If you need to wash our bang bangs, you can go there. So there's another ruins right on the other side. Basically, it's like from end to end, it's about what, a 2-minute walk, no?
Yeah, sorta. Parang
That's how big it is.
2 soccer fields.
Yeah. This video really can't justify how big the site is.
Meron pa ron. Siguro.
Meron pa sa dulo. Best thing is we have ample parking for the space.
Yep. Tsaka another prospective CQB site here.
Yeah. We have 4 minutes of video left, pare. Kuya,
Roger.
say hi. There. Last look. Last look. There you go. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Hello.
Pistol.
Yes. Napakrono mo na ba yan?
Hindi pa.
Diba? So sir, this is Kapuso mo, Brian Rhea. What can you say about airsoft?
Airsoft is addictive.
Yeah.
It rocks.
So let's go to the other area.
That's the parking space.
This is the parking space.
And
This is the
of
parking
course,
space.
the prospective CQB area.
CQB area. The only problem is it's too near the parking area, but we can remedy that. There's one of the entrance.
Pwedeng kausapin na lang daw yung barangay captain.
as if you were playing a game. There you go. There. This is one of the CQB sites. And those are the marshals. We have marshals. Don't bite. No biting, no biting. There. So unfortunately we can't come in. Pero we'll check it out one of these days. Alright. Okay, team.
Okay. Plastic. Ay, langgam.
Oo nga eh.
Si Gerald. Si Pitbull, mahilig yan sa langgam. That's the entrance to the field.
Field. CR. Prospective CR area.
For men.
For men and women. At the same time.
You can go up. It's like about 2 stories or 3.
You can also have a shower room. Shower room, right? Yeah. Common shower area for the players.
Common, ha?
Common, as in common.
Oh.
Men and women.
I don't think anybody would want to take a shower in there.
Uh,
Unang-una mapanghi.
okay. Kailangan natin ng fire department.
Alright.